what is the right way to design a vision board for yourself?
I always encourage my student or mentee to focus on one idea. Dream big, start small. Do what is needed at this point. So this is like you are aware, you become aware about what you want to create the bigger picture of life. But what is the smallest thing I can do at this point? And what I need to do to achieve that. So when we are talking about vision board, the way is many people make the same mistake. What you have to do is either you have to make two vision board. One is a very long term, like which is a bigger picture, and you are not worried about when it is going to come, but you want it to have it in your life. Maybe a beach house, maybe that's whatever it is. The biggest goal of life for which you are, maybe it will come true in 3 years, 5 years, or even 10 years, you are happy. But then there should be a vision board, or either you keep those in aside and create a vision board for 1 year time frame. 1 year time frame are the goal that you want to manifest. Like let's suppose, for example, you don't have a house yet, you are living on rent and you are thinking about having a house. So what would be your first goal? Maybe buying a 2 BHK or a 3 BHK, maybe a flat. If you haven't bought a house yet, so maybe your first goal should be a beautiful 3 BHK house that maybe you are going to buy maybe in 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year time frame. Maybe beach house, maybe then you will be shifting to a bungalow, and then maybe along with that you will be having a beach house, or maybe having multiple houses few years down the line. So one is like, what is our next goal in that area? That should be there. Second is health part. Like I said, many people put the picture of a six-pack ab or a absolute flat belly, rather than the idea should be someone who is fit, balanced, and doing some positive process like maybe yoga. Maybe your focus should be on health part. If you're struggling, focus should be doing yoga consistently or running consistently. That should be the goal. Let's suppose someone is having a goal of running a marathon and never run a marathon. So focus should be, this year I am going to complete a 5 kilometer or 10 kilometer run. There is an interesting thing about which many people are not aware about. Interesting thing, or the power of achieving small goals.
Yeah, I 100% believe in that.
When you achieve small goals, when you tick, it gives you a lot of strength. It strengthens your beliefs. So the vision board should be focused on next 1 year.
You know, you can have a huge dream for yourself, a dream that looks almost impossible, and all that, start there, but break it down to smaller goals. And when you start achieving those smaller goals, like you said, we drive a lot of strength from those smaller goals, and they make us feel positive that, okay, if these 3 things are possible, I have to do maybe another 30 things for this big dream to come true.